which best represents that sequence? And they give you three points, 1, 8, 2, 16, and 4, 64. For this problem, I expect you guys to be able to make an X and Y axis. So using your ID, go and make an X and Y axis on the left hand side or any space that you have on your paper. So we have X and Y. So if they plugged in a 1 and they got an 8 back. So 1 and they got an 8 back. They plug in a 2 and they got a 16 back. 3 is not shown there. They plugged in a 4 and they got a 64. So you need to be able to figure out, if you plug in a 1 into this equation, you should end up with an 8. So let's try. Plug in a 1. So if you plug in a 1, that gives you 2 times 1 is 2 plus 4. Will it give you 8? No. Let's plug in a 1 in here. 2 to the first power. Will it give you 8? No. Let's try letter C. Let's plug in a 1. 4 times 2 to the first power. 2 to the first power is 2 times 4. That gives me 8. If I plug in a 2, it should give me 16. Let's try it. 4 times 2. And instead of the n, I'm going to plug in a 2. Remember, exponents first. 2 squared is 4 times 4 will give me 16. So that works. If I plug in a 4, it should give me 64. Plug in a 4. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. Times 4, is that 64? Yes. So that one works, so letter C. Now be careful. For example, on letter D, if you plug in a 1, 8 times 2 to the first power, it gives you 16. So just make sure you test each one, and even if it works for the first one, it should work for all the points that are given to you. But in this case, your answer is letter C.